How we made more than 1000 USD within 2 hours by trading NQ indexes. Let me show to you our secrets, what strategies we use and what indicators we use. Beauty of this session that I did it live with our partner Atas. As you can see, we do all our trades via Atas platform, and it was exactly this day. And let me show to you what exactly we traded. First trade I took at 16:44. It is my East European time. It is US Open 16:30. It is 15 minutes after open. We tried to take long, as you can see. And what was the reason why we took first trade long with closing it at break even? Because at that moment, have a look, it was only a start of a day. You can see at this moment 4 p.m. it is start of a day. After that, price was in a range, and honestly I thought that we would be with big chance in a balanced day. I thought that the balanced day would continue, but because of that here it was exactly POC of a previous day. If you build volume profile, you can see price reach point of control, and often price do beautiful reaction from point of control. And here I took this beautiful long, as you can see. Price did local rise, but after that there was delta absorption and trend continue. And here at best I get approximately, my stop loss was 50 ticks. At high I had 1 to 2 point, like nearly 1 to 3 risk to reward ratio. Honestly, I thought that there would be balanced day. I thought there would be a range because price started rotating around VWAP, and I failed to recognize the trend would start. And after that, we had this beautiful aggressive downtrend. And the next trade I took only at 17:16, more than 40 minutes after. Main reason why I took the trade, because of this, pay attention. It is this first deviation. Often when I trade, especially when we have a trend days, I love to use VWAP, because often VWAP shows to you a rhythm of a day, and often you can see by which VWAP you can trade. For example, what was the logic? Here you can see how this VWAP became powerful, like here support, and here VWAP became powerful resistance. And often you will see that VWAP also will have reaction, because they take trades around that VWAP. And here, what was our trade? When price reached VWAP, here we took short trade, and I closed the trade by parts. You can see exactly here execution of our trade. It was exactly short here. You can see exactly into this high, and after that I closed by parts. Here it is how I get out. I took 6 contracts, as you can see, 6 contracts out. Also highly advise you to follow me on Telegram, because quite a lot of secrets about crypto and indexes trading I share there for free. And here we took this beautiful short. My stop loss at that moment was 50 ticks. I used, when I trade indexes, I use mathematical stop loss, because that's the easiest way. And you saw I closed by parts. When I saw this significant delta, I decided to close entire position with average risk to reward ratio 1 to 4. But you can see that it was really powerful trendy day, and if I would keep until this bottom, it would be 1 to 10 risk reward. That's a reason why I highly advise you to use VWAP when you trade trend day. By the way, this setup on Atas, my templates workspace, you can get it for free. There would be link in description. Download it. Also, you can download Atas and get it extended trial period if you use our link. What about second trade? Second trade I took at 18:10. You can see it was long. We made 541 USD with risk 150. And what was a trade? It was exactly here when this VWAP deviation were broken. Often VWAP deviation become powerful support resistance. And what was also a reason why here I was so happy to take a trade, because pay attention on this delta. I hope you saw that most of this delta were here. I saw in my own eyes during a live session when someone said significant limit order, buy limit order were executed. After that significant limit order, it were executed. And pay attention that all of these orders here, they create support and resistance. And what I saw when price did this drop, delta, as you can see, we're nearly neutral. For me, it was clearly that someone built a position inside of this range, and this person isn't out, because if they would be out, delta would be there would be significant delta spike. If those sellers would be so aggressive and would like to move price down, it's strange that they come back into VWAP. That's why after that, when they flipped VWAP here at this deviation, I took long. Have a look on this execution. It was exactly here. I took a long trade. And it was also perfect rise. As you can see, again, I closed by pots. You saw I took approximately in average 1 to 4, but have a look, 50 ticks. And at top, you can see 1 to 7 until this top. Until that top here, it is 1 to 11. Sometimes, honestly, trendy days gives really the best profit. Yes, you can see the trend after that continue and price closed at low, but sometimes it's okay to take trade against, especially when you see significant delta absorption. And I traded it many times. My friends, support me with your like, and here I prepared for you a video lesson about my strategies that I use on indexes, why I use it, what additional tool. It would be video lesson, and after that entire playlist, watch it because it will help you to start your path really faster. See you. Bye.